how to earn Quacks on Wallchain platform and other information you need to know about this platform. You're welcome back to my channel. If you're yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how the Wallchain platform works and how you can earn points and what the points will be used for. That is, in this platform, you can make up to 100 USDT and above monthly, depending on your activity in this platform. Of course, the Wallchain, there is it here, the Wallchain platform, it's just like the Kaito. And when we talk about it being like Kaito or being just like Kaito and also this Wallchain is an example of the info fee. Yes, of course, in the Web3 space, we are currently in the era of info fee. And when we talk about info fee, it stands for information finance. Okay, and when we talk about information finance simply means an ecosystem, a financial model in the ecosystem, in the Web3 ecosystem that transforms information to a tradable asset. What do I mean by this? What I simply means here is when you're talking about the info fee, which is the era we are in the Web3 space, now you are talking about a platform where you can earn by creating content. This deals with when you create a meaningful content, especially on your X, that's your formerly known as Twitter account. So when you create it, then those things will be converted to points, and those points will be converted to token. Of course, those that have been on Kaito for a very long time, they would have earned one or two rewards for their creation. Alright, so now without wasting time, I'll be launching into how do you create an account on Wallchain, and after creating your account on Wallchain, what's the next process? What you do, first and foremost, for you to start on this Wallchain, you need to have your X account. Then once you go to this website, I'm going to drop the link. So once you click on the link, then click on Start with X. Okay, here it's going to take you to X and it will ask you to approve. So just all you need to do is just to approve it. Okay, you can see here it says I'm successful here, and this I've gotten is 0.01. Okay, so the next thing is to start creating content. Create content. When we say creating content, you have to create an engaging, a meaningful content. Like you can research about the project. Then when you make research about the project and how it works, then you have to publish some content on how it works on your X. That's your Twitter. That's where you publish everything. So you do this daily, just once in a day or maybe twice, possibly. Then if you check this project now, you see we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then out of these 8, the most recent one is this one, this Convalent. Now this project, which is the Covalent, has been listed already, and according to them, you will see this is the reward they have for those that will be talking about the project. Okay, this is it. 200,000 USDT. That's worth of CST. This is the name of their token for Quakers. Now let's look at more information here. You see, once I clicked on it, it took me directly to my X profile. It says we are teaming up with Wallchain to launch the Covalent Mindshare leaderboard, and this will be over the next 5 months. So they will be giving it monthly, on monthly basis. So more quality and signal is equal to higher rank. And this was posted on August 25th. Okay, this was posted on August 18th. Okay, that shows that this is a new project indeed. All right, so let's return back to the Wallchain website and let's know how you are going to be creating your content. Now, for you to know how you'll be creating your content, let's go to frequently asked questions. Okay, so now it says, what is Wallchain Quacks? It is a system that rewards influential people for valuable, insightful, and engaging content. So now the point that will be given to you on Wallchain is called Quacks. And this Quacks is what will be converted to token. That's when the project you talk about want to reward you, they will make use of the points that you have gotten to reward you. Now, how do you earn point? Now, in the Wallchain, it evaluates your content every day. If your content is deemed valuable, insightful, and engaging, you will earn point. So this is what they mean. So the platform, what they will do is, whenever once you have signed up with them here and you have connected your X, then each time when you create a content on your Twitter, that's on your X, then they will capture it, they would scan it and see, they will evaluate it. So if it is valuable and if it is engaging, then you'll be given a point for it. Then aside from that, then there is still something that is called the X score. Now, when you ask, the X score is a crypto Twitter influence ranking system, range from 0 to 1000. This is the quality of it. So this one now is talking about the points they will be giving to you depending on how influential you are on Twitter, that is on your X. So this means that the quality of friends you have, that one will be considered. That is, the friends you have, are they creating content, are they influential enough? All these things will be considered, and so on. But the major thing you need to concentrate more on is the Quake point. Okay, then it says, how long does it take for Quake to appear? Now your Quacks are being calculated once per day, so it takes place every 24 hours. So after 24 hours, they would have evaluated your the post you made about the project and see if it is meaningful or not. If it is meaningful, you'll be given some points. Okay. Now they said why you might not, if your Quacks is low, that is if your points are not calculating, it means your content may not be meaningful or unique or engaging enough. Now, when it talks to engaging means your post about them should be something that people will be able to comment and share their own ideas about it. Something that people should be able to learn. So you are not just writing, just posting anything, but you have to make a research about the project and create something meaningful about it. Alright, so that's just how it works. And if you have signed up with this, then there's something you need to do. Just go to your X and search for Wallchain. So when you search for Wallchain, make sure you follow them on X because whenever you want to, make sure you follow them on X. That's very, very vital. Then whenever you are creating your content, make sure you tag the project you are talking about. Okay, for instance, I'll be going to my X and show you one of the content I created about this convalent. Alright, for instance now, this is my first post, the first post I made about convalent. You can see that I tagged the name, that's the Twitter handle of the project. So if you are talking about a particular project, make sure you are following that project on your X, so that when you finish writing about the project, you can tag them in one of your write-ups. Okay. Then aside that, one other thing you need to do on the Wallchain website is to connect your, this is where you connect your address. Okay, so you can see I first click on something that look like wallet. Then when you come here, just click submit your Solana address. That's from your Phantom wallet or any Solana based wallet. Then you submit your EVM. Your EVM is your Ethereum enabled wallet address. So you submit this from a decentralized exchange such as Bitget wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask. All you need to do is just to copy your Ethereum wallet address from any of those exchange from any of those wallets and paste it here, then you would save. So whenever you are qualified for any of these, for any reward, they will be sending it you to this your wallet. You'll be able to claim it to any of your wallets here. Okay, then there is one more thing that I need to talk about, which is called the leaderboard. Of course, there are lots of people that will be talking about the project you are talking about. So what they do here is there is something called the leaderboard. The leaderboard now is what shows your position, because most of these project will decide to reward people based on their position. So it talks about the position you are in a particular thing. Now let's scroll down here. You will see that in this side, okay, in this side, this is the leaderboard. And due to I just started, so in this leaderboard, I'm currently having no position, because my mind share here is still 0.001%. I'm saying 0.001%, which was even the bonus given to me. So, but if you check around here, you will see that this is the list. You see, this is number 1, number 2, number 3. If you click on these people, it will take you to their X. You will see the content they'll be creating. You see, this is 1 and so on, and that is how it continues to the last number. So now whenever they want to reward people about a particular project, they will have to check if you are on the leaderboard. Sometimes they will announce that, okay, maybe the top 50 people will be rewarded, or the top 200 people will be rewarded. That means the first 200 people on the list. If it's top 50, it will be the first 50 people. If it's top 5, it will be the first 5 people. So that is what is being determined. So all this world chain of a thing is just likened to Kaito. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section and I'll surely attend to it. Or you can also drop it on my WhatsApp or Telegram group and we'll attend to it. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe.